Okay, so today is the first day of September, which means it's the first day of the September Speed Stick competition, and I thought I'd kick off by having a old nemesis, the FX1. That boy up to 20 knots, and on the global speed stick there's a very tall German chap called Dennis who's managed to get this up to a staggering 24 knots, which means it must be possible. Maybe I just need to give it bigger beams in more wind. It's pretty windy just now, so hopefully there's enough wind to get the beams out. So, ready with the beams, ready with our beams. Oh my goodness. Alright, out on the beams, and it's just going to be an exercise working the main sheet, try not to. When it's this windy, rather than going for absolute brutal rock trapeze kind of efficiency, just trying to make the boat easy to sail. So I've got the trapeze a little bit shorter than it would be normally. Someone advertised quite a lot of wind, just in a big hole there. Got the Traveller out about a foot. A little bit of main sheet management. Just got to try to keep the tail of the main sheet away from the rudders, because we certainly don't want that bad boy going on that bad boy. The cranking handle, and we're on. There, she feels good, quite well balanced. On this particular FX1, there is no spinning resistance. That's because we haven't got one. It's been labelled the FX1 Sport. It's all marketing, just to stop because it's the Sport. It is. From the wind noise, should back. But it's certainly windy enough, and if there was ever going to be a day to bang in a big speed on the 1 mile reach, then today could be. I'm just getting up here a bit. Mistake, it didn't work. Okay, next big bang. God, this is brutal. It does not think you really does. Because the sea is so flat at the moment. I'm going to stay out for very long, but because seconds, 21.18, that confirms that speed. Because if it was just a peak, yes. Oh, right, I'm going to tack. Bringing the tacker in a bit. Crank. When you're tacking in any wind, but strong wind, sometimes that's the reason why people aren't successful with their tacks, because they're not really. Right, I'm just going to pause and check the camera, because it'd be a shame to be missing this solid goal. Right, camera is main sheet pleated, not holding the rope, could lead to complications. Yeah, alright, so main sheet is cranked, cope with the extra power, going a bit more into the wind, try to get the camera under the boom, very important of course. Going for a bit of swivel cam, just going to check it with the main sheet, so we want swivel cam about there. Swivel cam is looking tasty. Alright, hopefully on swivel cam we'll be able to have the telemetry, although last time the GPS decided not to function, which is a shame. Alright, so I'm just coming downwind a little bit here on the City Innie downwind to get back into the breeze, even when it's honking here in Vasiliki, right up next to the mountain here. It's quite regular not to get any wind at all, or just for it to be really light. Whew. Guys, is everybody having fun? Put it in the comments below. This is certainly a rip snorter of an outing. All right, I'll get hooked on, maybe a little bit lower. Another consideration doing this sort of thing on the single-handed boat is you do not want to be the man overboard, because the boat will sail away from you, and by the time help comes, the boat might be a good distance away, meaning you might be quite difficult to find. Alright, right, I'm getting those emotions again, getting the foot right on the back. Main sheet is fairly tight, and we're going to pull the trigger. Trying to keep it fairly flat, because this boat has got a flat bottomed hulls, which in theory means if we keep it flat you might get a little bit of lift, and a kind of planing type lift from those hulls if we keep it fairly flat. Just trying to keep it flat, sheeting as much as possible, watching those noses. Woo! 20 knots there. Really, the ring is twitching like a rabbit's nose. coming back from that. Okay, shooting in a bit more, looking for the gust. Quite excited, at the same time, a little bit scared. The cat's a good sort of balance on such an afternoon, fear and really tucking the toes under the tiller up there, trying to stay anchored. Alright, and here we go, down the mine shaft again. Okay, when I get to the big orange boy, I'm going to stop so I can take it in a nice, controlled manner. In fact, I'm going to start moving back onto the boat there, and to stop the mainsail flogging like a witch, I'm going to release the downhaul. Nice. Oh, spun up there a little bit. Could have been a bit of fun. Woo. Okay, so there we go. 20.3 on that second run. Not quite as quick, but still. Oh goodness, that was a run. Let's see if we can get this bad boy up. So I'm going to overshoot the mooring, quickly get the front of the boat. Getting to the front, pretty sharpish. There's the buoy, so not having to pull the boat upwind, that is the key there. The key that will unlock the mooring door. Can I thread the needle? No, I can't. Get the mooring on so we don't lose it there. Just going to spread that loop a little bit. So I've got, there we go, clip and clip. So there we go, that was really quite a run. There's a lot of wind. I'd say it's got to be high 20s in the gusts, perhaps even a little bit more. But what a great first outing for the start of the September month of speed and the speed stick here in Vasiliki. Thanks for watching. There will be a whole lot more coming soon. The forecast is spectacular. Thank you.